In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a site audit in Semrush. A site audit is a fast way to uncover technical issues that can hold back your rankings, user experience, and crawlability. We'll move through the process from opening the tool to reviewing results and fixing problems, so you can confidently improve your site's health. First, open Semrush and head to the SEO section, then choose Site Audit. This is the dashboard where you'll set up and manage audits for your domains. Next, create a project. Click Create SEO Project, type in your domain in the format your users visit, and confirm by selecting Create Project. Think of a project as the container that stores all crawl settings and future audit results for that site. Now configure the audit settings. Choose how many pages you want Semrush to crawl. If your site is large, start with a manageable number to get quick insights, then expand later. Pick the crawl source. Use your website if you want Semrush to follow internal links, or select your sitemap if you want a structured, comprehensive list that you control. Select the device type. Desktop is a good default, but if most of your visitors are on mobile, run the audit for mobile to reflect that experience. When everything looks right, click Start Site Audit. Semrush will begin crawling your site. This can take a few minutes depending on your page count and server speed, so let it run until completion. When it's done, open the audit results. Here you'll see your site health score, which summarizes overall technical status, along with counts of errors, warnings, and notices, plus the total number of crawled pages. Use this overview to gauge impact at a glance. To dig deeper, go to the Issues tab. Errors indicate high-priority problems that can strongly affect performance. Warnings are important but less critical, and notices are suggestions or minor findings. This view groups issues so you can focus your effort effectively. Finally, fix problems. Click any issue to see the affected pages and detailed explanations. Semrush provides practical recommendations and why they matter, so follow those steps in your CMS or codebase to resolve them. Prioritize errors first, then move on to warnings and notices as time allows. As you apply fixes, your site should become easier to crawl, faster, and more search-friendly. You now know how to run a site audit in Semrush. Thanks for watching.